Discord has just now introduced 2 new perms. First, go to your Discord server, select Server Settings, and click Roles. You will find a huge notice. I'm sure some of you didn't understand. It's alright. That's why I'm here to explain. Close that. Basically, it is saying that Manage Message permission will no longer have Pin Message and Slow Mode permissions. Pin Message and Slow Mode will be 2 independent permissions. If you want to give someone Manage Messages perm, it means they will have perm to delete somebody's message. Therefore, I suppose it will be best to give this perm to your staff members only. This was Discord's concern too. They didn't want a rogue member to have this perm to delete all the messages. That's why they made delete message perm independent, so you can give it to the person you trust. It's also not like you have a choice because on February 24th, 2026, this perm will go live. If you haven't gotten this perms yet, just wait. Anyway, if you want herbs links and Nitro-related news, join my Discord support server. There's a channel called Orbs where you can find everything. And if you want decors and layouts or just want to make friends, make sure to join my main Discord server. After joining, a form will appear, answer these questions, and a staff member will accept you. After that, go to Verify channel and click Verify button. It doesn't take too long. The bot will give you Verify or Members role, and you will be in the server. You can find banners, PNGs, dividers, and all kinds of server decors and layouts over here. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button so it goes to algorithm. Let me know down in the comment section if you got these new permissions. I'm curious to know.